Beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see in the title, making fenugreek oil. So we can't make fenugreek oil without fenugreek. So our base ingredient for this recipe is fenugreek, and also the oil we are going to be using is olive oil. You see these two ingredients. Our major ingredient is actually fenugreek. So we are infusing the fenugreek in the oil actually. So fenugreek is a very good ingredient to grow your hair long and healthy. So I let me emphasize on long and healthy. So you are growing your hair and your hair is also healthy. Yes, so fenugreek is actually a very good ingredient to grow your hair long. And also, if you're suffering from hair breakage, your hair is thinning, your hair is just breaking and and you don't even know which ingredient to use, girl, you can't go wrong with fenugreek. So fenugreek is a very good ingredient for hair breakage. So I'm going to be using olive oil for this ingredient. I use 3 tablespoons of fenugreek for this recipe and olive oil. Please and please, you don't have to add like 500 ml of oil to your fenugreek. If you are going to be using 500 ml, that means you should add a lot of fenugreek in heat actually, because you can't go wrong using fenugreek oil. So I reserved this fenugreek for about a week before I took the next step. So this was how it was looking after a week. So I infused it for a week. So after a week, I tested if this fenugreek was fully infused in this oil. So at this point, I was trying to like test. I went in with my hand, I was pressing the fenugreek, and I noticed that this thing is still hard as a stone. What's going on? What's really going on? I infused this for a week. I expected it to be very soft, but no, it was very hard. I've infused fenugreek seed for 3 months actually before this, and it was very hard. I was thinking that fenugreek was not good for me. It was not good. Even those YouTubers are saying fenugreek is good for hair breakage and all, but girl, you are infusing fenugreek wrongly. So I'm going to be showing you how to infuse fenugreek the appropriate way. So we are still going to be using our olive oil. Yes, we're still going to be using our olive oil, and we are using fenugreek powder. Yes, fenugreek powder. I've been a victim of this. Like I said, I infused fenugreek for 3 months and I used it on my hair. I was battling with breakage, and I didn't see result. I was like, these YouTubers are lying. Because it didn't dissolve at all. In the oil. So the best way to infuse your fenugreek is using fenugreek powder. I repeat, fenugreek powder. So fenugreek powder will infuse properly in the oil, like it's properly infused in the oil. So please and please, do use fenugreek seed for your recipe. Go in with your fenugreek powder. So keep on watching.
We about to turn it on. We about to turn it on. Turn it on. We about to turn it up. Turn it. We about to turn it up.